Westfield Memorial Hospital now officially has a federal and state designation as a rural emergency hospital. That status means they have closed out their expensive to maintain previous 4-bed inpatient unit, which only had an average of 10 patients a month anyway, to now focus on their emergency room.
Protects the Westfield community from losing any type of healthcare, acute healthcare and health maintenance. I think it's critically important that we have this emergency department here in this community. Along with that, we have a helipad here, and I mean, just even over the summer, even if the patient doesn't show up here, that the ambulance crews can still rendezvous with a helicopter here because we have a nice, safe place.
Patients actually requiring hospital stays could be sent elsewhere, now including St. Vincent's Hospital in nearby Erie, Pennsylvania. But this new designation also for the rural area.
Radiology, lab, physical therapy, all that stays the same. The other nice thing is we're allowed to expand anything we want, outpatient. So if it's an outpatient procedure or test or anything like that, we can continue to do those things. We can add them on. And a perfect example of that right now is we're working through a mobile MRI project. And that should be done. Construction should be done by the end of October.
This is also a calculated financial move with a guaranteed federal and state funding lifeline set up by the new designation program, which was created in 2023 to rescue struggling hospitals.
What Allegheny Health Network is doing is taking this tiny hospital in a rural community, not a lot of options for those folks. They're getting that fixed monthly check coming in from the federal government, and then enhanced billings from both Medicare on the federal side and Medicaid on the state side.
Larry Zielinski there says so far 2 other hospitals opting for this rural emergency hospital status, one in Steuben County in the southern tier, another in the Adirondacks. He feels that many rural hospitals still face financial issues, again with Medicaid funding cuts, despite a $50 billion federal set-aside fund for them in the reconciliation bill. On your side, Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.